to Critter Creations, our summer creative program here at the Killenly Library. I'm Miss Allison and this is Mr. Shark. He's back.
I'm back and better than ever.
And we invited Mr. Shark here today because we are doing a Windsock fish today, made out of paper bags. Now, isn't she cute? Anyway, so we are going to be putting together some kits, and in your kit, let me explain first. You are going to have one paper bag. You will have some streamers for the tail part of your fish. Up the tail part. You will have some sparkles to add onto your fish to make it special. And you will have an eye. I made some eyes. I figured it was kind of nice. It popped a little bit. And you'll have to use glue from home and crayons from home, if that's okay. Oh, and you'll need a pair of scissors. Child safety scissors are the best. Okay, so to make this Windsock fish, so easy. I know I always say that, don't I, Mr. Shark?
Yeah.
So you're gonna have that bag, the plain bag like that. And you're gonna be folded, I'm just gonna give you a little tutorial, like a mini tutorial. You're gonna fold in both sides, and you're gonna cut out the mouth area right here. And in each kit, you will have a set of instructions in case you forget what we're doing. Okay. And, oh, I forgot to mention, you will get a string to hang your Windsock too. I'm always forgetting something. All right, so first step is to fold in, cut the mouth out right here, just like Mr. Shark's. You could add teeth if you wanted to also. But the idea is to get some air inside your fish. So when it blows in the wind, it goes through your fish, okay? You're going to make a design of your choice on the outside of your fish. And I did like little half circles. And I used crayons, like a white crayon. And then I added some glue and some glitter. And you'll be getting glitter with your kit, so you'll be able to use that, okay? And with the tail of your Windsock, you're just gonna glue those pieces on each side. You can mix it up. You don't have to do a pattern like I did, you know, one on one side, one on the other. You can do whatever you want. And we'll give you a variety.
Oh, yes.
What do you think?
I love it.
I don't know. Is your tail as flashy as this tail?
Not as flashy, but that fish does look delicious.
So that's that. And then there'll be 2 holes on top for you to hang your Windsock. It doesn't seem too complicated, does it?
No.
Oh, and don't forget to put on your eye. And I added a little bit of eyelashes there, if you can see that. That's it. That's our Windsock fish. And I hope that you come into the library. We'll have a supply of these fish. They'll be unlimited supplies, so come in early and get your fish. As soon as this video comes out, you can pop in and get a fish to work on and bring home and craft and create your critter. What do you think, Mr. Shark?
I think I'm late for my dentist appointment.
Oh no! Your teeth look great though.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
Bye.
Say bye, Mr. Shark.
Bye.
Thanks, friends, and I'll see you next week.